Visualize 20 years from now. What do you see? You probably see flying cars, virtual reality glasses, and robot companions. Looks excitingly dope, right? But let me ask you this. How smoothly do you think this change will come about? This change is happening not now, but right now. And most of us are clueless what's really happening. At its core is AI, and while it won't replace humans, it certainly will try to control us. So I'm trying something new. I've written my first novel, and it explores the upcoming war of sovereignty and how ancestral intelligence, the original AI, will be needed to counter AI's plan of centralized control in its developing fourth industrial revolutionary order. The journey begins January 27th. Bless.